This vinyl fence gate right here has a hole in it. Now this is a common problem and we're going to show you a very easy solution so you can get this fixed for a low cost. So typically what we see here on Long Island is people sometimes they leave their gates open, or the landscapers leave the gates open. A gust of wind comes and slams the gate shut harder than it should shut. Or sometimes when the kids are leaving, they slam it shut so they can get out and play lacrosse or whatever they're doing, and the gate latch breaks right here. Now, these gates, they're made of vinyl. These are plastic gates. So if you slam them hard enough, they could potentially break. But this is not something to be overly concerned with. We're going to show you a quick solution using a patch. Now, we're going to cut back to our shop where my father and my shop manager Jose are going to show you how to cut this patch so you can repair the hole in your gate.
All right, so we're here at the shop and Alex needs a patch to fix a gate, and Jose and I are going to go back in the yard and look through some scrap. Usually at a fence company, they're going to have tons of scrap PVC, a lot of garbage laying around that they either have to recycle or pay to dump. We actually recycle all of our scrap with a local company. So what we're going to do is look in our recycling box for a piece that we can use to make a patch, and I think Jose just found the perfect piece. We're going to make this patch to fit a welded framed gate. Okay. And if you don't have a table saw, you could do this with a jigsaw also, or you just go to your local fence company and ask them to do you a solid like a Natural Beauty fence. All right, let's go. Now let's get 2 inch, 1 3/4 inch. Yeah. Right there. Okay, good. Lock that in. Before we drive to the job, let's go and check out and see if this is good for a framed gate. Come on, I have one back here. This is what we mean by a framed gate. It's got a corner that's welded together. It doesn't have a side post like we normally make our gates. Okay, that looks like it's going to work perfectly as a patch, but for now, we got to clean this up so it looks brand new.
Now, if our shop is a little bit out of the way for you, we can ship these patches directly to you. Simply text or call me to set up your order.
Now, thanks for joining me, Jose. We've got our patch here and we're going to show you how to repair this gate. We're also going to give you a little piece of advice. Now, as I said before, if these gates slam too hard, whether intentional or not, they have a chance of breaking. So here we have a gate stop handle. Now, you'll notice the existing handles on this gate do not have any stop on them. Now, I really like this rubber stop right here because when the gate slams shut or when it just closes, this rubber will absorb some of that shock, which makes a situation like this a lot less likely to happen. So we're going to also put these on, and keep in mind when we're demonstrating that these are available for purchase and delivery nationwide. We can send these to you. But for now, let's get into the patch because that's step number 1. We're going to take off this handle right here so that way we can center the patch right over the hole. Now we're going to put the patch over the hole on our gate, and we want to place the patch so that way the hole is in about the center of the patch. That'll make it so the patch is nice and strong. It'll provide the most support once we screw it in. We're simply going to use white screws so that way it still looks nice, and we're going to screw the patch onto the gate. Then once the patch is in place, we're going to put the striker rod for the latch in the correct position so that way the gate can smoothly open and close. Perfect. Now, to provide extra support and to prevent this from happening again in the future, we're going to add our gate stop handle. I love this because it doubles as both a handle where you can grip and easily open and close the gate, but also that nice cushioned gate stop that'll absorb the impact when this gate closes. That will drastically reduce the chances that a break like this happens in the future. My name is Alex. When you text or call me here, I'll be the one answering the phone and we'll get these sent to you. We ship them all over the country and it's a great preventative measure so that way this doesn't happen in the future to your gate. Now let's get this installed. Now you guys are going to be shocked at the cost of this repair. The customer who hired us to come here and put this patch on for her paid under $100 for our services. Now, if you wanted to save even more money and do this repair yourself, as you'll see, it's not that complicated. You can walk into your local fence company like Natural Beauty Fence. We're located here in Wantagh, New York, serving Long Island since 1947. If you walked into our shop and said, hey, I have a hole in my gate, can I go through your scrap and make a patch like I saw that handsome guy do in the video? We would say, sure, go on back there, take whatever you need. You can rummage through all our recyclables, find a piece of plastic that works for you, and then you could either have our shop guy, Jose, cut the patch for you, or you can come back home and do it yourself with a jigsaw. Now, honestly, if you came into my shop and I was behind the counter and you asked for a patch for your gate, I'd probably just give it to you, and then you'd pay a few cents for the screws. If my dad was there, he might make you buy him a coffee or something, but this repair won't cost you a lot of money. Now, because this gate is welded, as you'll see, all the corners have welds in them. If something breaks on this, you can't take it apart and repair it. You have to either do the patch repair like we did, or you would have to replace the gate. Now, a gate like this, arched with the lattice top, between the gate itself and the labor to come install it, if the customer wanted to replace this, it would be roughly an $800 repair. So in this case, especially because the hole is facing the backyard, she opted to just have it patched for a few bucks. And as you'll see, even with the patch showing, this still looks beautiful. You know, it doesn't really jump out as being out of place. And from the front, from the curb, you don't even see it. Now, with that said, I want to talk about the difference between welded gates, like you see right here, and our assembled gates, which if you've subscribed to the channel, you've seen us build plenty of times in the shop. When we do an assembled gate, we build the gate with 4x4 side posts, and we use our special gate inserts to hold the gate together. That's what stabilizes it. Now, if something breaks on one of these gates can be taken apart. We can repair one piece of the gate and then put it back together. So that'll make repairs a lot less costly for you. If, let's say, something a little bit more difficult to patch, like one of these boards broke, an assembled gate comes apart and goes back together a lot easier. But these welded gates, as you see, they provide a really nice aesthetic, and if you're going really wide with the gates, the welded corners do hold up really well. It offers a large amount of support. So when you're making a decision of which gate you should get, our assembled gate versus a welded gate, you have to factor in how often is the gate going to get used? How wide do I want to make the gate? If it's a gate where people are constantly running in and out of it, you have landscapers coming, you have excited kids who run in and out really fast, I probably wouldn't recommend a welded gate. But if it's just you and a partner living at the house by yourselves and you guys are careful, you mow your own lawn, and you just like the look of a welded gate with this beautiful arch and the lattice top, then this is something that you should consider. Now, if you're interested in having a vinyl fence gate repaired or installed at your house, you can text or call me here. I'm happy to have a conversation with you to figure out which kind of gate best suits your specific situation. I'll give you the pros and cons of going with a welded gate versus an assembled gate. Now, if you've watched this video and at this point you've noticed, wait, my gate doesn't have these welded corners, don't be alarmed. You could still do this patch repair. You would just make the patch a little bit bigger to accommodate the side post on the gate. Now let's go a step further. If you've watched this whole video and realize you had an assembled gate and you actually want to take it apart and just replace the broken piece, we've got you covered. Check out this attached link where we'll take you through a repair of an assembled gate. Here, the gate had a hole in it. We took it apart, replaced the one broken piece, and then put it back together so that the customer could rehang it. This is a nice, cost-effective repair, and if you fall into the boat of having an assembled gate, you'll get tremendous value out of this video right here. So check it out, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.